welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to team up with Petal Pup to share a gorgeous spring summer try on haul. I found the most stunning pieces that I'm so excited to share with you today. If you haven't shopped at Petal Pup, they have been one of my favorite boutiques since I discovered them in 2019. They have such beautiful feminine pieces for all sorts of occasion, from gorgeous loungewear all the way to chic bridal and wedding guest dresses. So I picked some of my favorites out to style with you in today's video. They did also reactivate a new code so you can get 20% off your purchase with code STRAWBERRYCHIC20. I'll put all the details and everything that I style in today's video down in the description box below, as well as pinned to a top comment so you can easily shop today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's beautiful pieces, and let's jump in. I have been on the hunt for a blouse just like this for well over a year. I'm not sure if y'all remember just how many I tried last year, but this one is absolutely gorgeous and it looks so much more high-end. To me, it reminds me a lot of La Johnson. The detailing on it is beautiful. It's thick. It just looks way more expensive. I love the gorgeous embroidery. The scallop detail is perfect. I love that it's cropped, but it's not showing any skin, and it's also a little bit loose, a little more boxy, so it's perfect to pair with more high-waisted pants. I styled it here with these casual linen pants, which I have had for I think 4 years now. Like, they are such a great staple, like a spring essential. Has a stretchy waistband here. I did take the tie out just over the years, but they're just stretchy waistband, pull-on design. I'm 5'5" for height reference. I love this like warm flax color. This is one of those tops that I could style so many different ways. I think it's so cute with these fun pink jeans. I got these last year and I think they're back again. They're super comfortable. These are faux pockets in the front, so they just sit really nicely. High-waisted. I love the length because I can wear flats or heels, so you could definitely dress this look up for like girls' night, date night. You wanted to add a heel, but I just kept it simple with a flat for like a business casual workwear look this summer. This outfit totally screams Zimmerman look for less. I adore these shorts. They're actually a part of a matching set, so I'll put the matching top on that it comes with next. But how cute is that little baby scallop detail? These shorts are like a linen blend. They're lined, so not see-through. I would just keep it light underneath. They have pockets, has just a pull-on stretchy waistband, so they are very comfortable, but also very flattering as well. I love where they're sitting at the hips, and they're also not too short either. I will never get tired of an all-white linen look like this for spring and summer. Here is the matching top that you get with the shorts, so these do come as a set. It's this little peplum tank, these sweet little bow ties, and these were very easy to tie, by the way. They have a good structure to them. It is open through here, so I just have little nipple covers on. You could do like a white tank top underneath easily, and I think that would look nicely as well. This is such a cute set for vacation, for your bride-to-be, looking for little honeymoon pieces. Definitely will keep you cool and super cute. I'm wearing a size medium in this set. The shorts fit perfect. The top is a little more oversized. And those same adorable little shorts, and paired it with this gorgeous spring sweater. I have been so drawn to yellow this season. Butter yellow has been very on trend, and I love the fit of this sweater. It's cropped, a little boxy, fully buttoned, so would be nursing friendly. I also love the sleeves, how you can just kind of pull them up and they give a really nice slouchy casual look. I'm wearing a small in the sweater. I would say it runs a little big, so if you're in between, there's definitely room to size down. I love the shape of this midi dress. It has a nice A-line shape to it. I paired it with some comfy white sneakers. I also think this dress would be so pretty, kind of dressed up for a nice spring occasion as well. I'm wearing a medium, and it is a tad roomy, so if you're in between like I am, you do have room to size down. There's lots of smocking in the back, so it's very stretchy and comfortable. And it has a really conservative fit through the top. This comes up a bit higher. It would also be a really nice like Easter dress. It's very conservative. I also love the gathering through the top here. This has got to be one of the most comfortable things that I've ever worn, because it truly feels like I'm wearing nothing. It is just so flowy and comfortable. This is perfect for all things casual. I would even wear this on a road trip. I would wear it as a pool cover up. Great for vacation. Even casual weekends, taking Josie to the park, I would wear this with like some white sneakers. It has a little collar detail, and then the buttons are fully functional. This would be very nursing friendly and very bump friendly as well. There is plenty of room in here. It does have pockets, and like I said, it's a romper, but it's just like very flowy. I also love this color. It's a really nice sagey green, and then the sleeves are also really flowy, and I love that they kind of come down a little bit longer. I'm someone who always has to think about sun protection, especially during summer, so I love the sleeve, how they're still flowy. I won't get too warm in this in the hot summer heat. Next up is this stunning floral midi dress. Gosh, this one's just so sweet. I'm just so happy with all of these pieces. They are right up my alley, and I am going to be wearing so many of them on repeat. But how cute is this little top with this lace scalloped detail? I love how this one accentuates the waist here with some really comfy smocking. It's a pink floral, and then there's also an embroidered floral detail as well. This dress is lined. It has this beautiful A-line shape to it. I'm 5'5" for height reference. I styled it with a little pearl sandal, but you could definitely dress this up. This would be a go-to for showers. If you still need a good Easter dress, there are so many pretty options at Petal Pup, so I will round up some more of my favorites down below. This one would be bump friendly as well. It does have a zipper in the back, but there's a lot of stretch to this, so I didn't even have to undo that, which is nice. It was really easy to just slip off and on. And if you want to, you can wear this one off the shoulder as well. Next up is this blue and green floral print. This one has a really nice fit to it. It kind of reminds me of styles from House of CB with the way the bust is, or even Reformation sometimes does the style, but it reminds me a little bit more of House of CB at the moment. But it has this very like corset-like top. I was worried the torso was going to be too long on me, but it actually works. And I'm actually surprised at how like well fitted it is, but it's still comfortable, and there's no smocking on the back. Yeah, no smocking. And you can still comfortably like breathe in it. It doesn't feel restrictive through the rib cage, which I was actually surprised about. But it has this very squared off, like bustier type of look to it. This is smocked. You can tie it as tight, or you know, you can adjust it here. Wasn't sure honestly if this is gonna work for me, but I think it's actually quite nice. And it's lined, it's a midi length, so it would be petite friendly. I think this would be a cute option for Easter as well. I paired it with these little white bow shoes. I still want to keep it closed toe because it's still like pretty chilly in early spring, so I went for these little slingbacks. I'm also starting to source for spring and summer wedding guest dresses. I actually don't have any on my calendar this year personally, but I had a few options that came in. This one is from Petal Pup, and it is stunning and also very comfortable. It has this higher slit, which I personally love, and the top fits perfectly. I actually am not even wearing a bra with it because it was showing in the back, but depending on your situation, like I don't even think I need one, but you could also like get sewn in cups or do a sticky bra if you need to. And then the back has this corset cross detail, so I did have to be like mindful of where my arms were going as I was getting this one on. So it took a little bit of patience, but I think it was totally worth it. This is stunning. Next up is this gorgeous butter yellow maxi dress. This would be so beautiful for beach weddings, a summer wedding. It actually has a more casual linen fabric to it, which is nice because you could also style this with sandals on vacation, for example. The top is so flattering. I love the ruching and I love the V-neck. Feels very supportive. I'm actually not wearing a bra with it. The straps are adjustable. It has a little bit of smocking just in the back there, and it does zip up in the back. I also really like the V in the under bust area here, and then it just is tailored and then tapers into this nice flowy skirt, and it is lined as well. So many beautiful pieces in today's video that I cannot wait to wear. Let me know if you had any favorites from today's video down in the comments. Don't forget to use my code STRAWBERRYCHIC20 for 20% off your purchase. That works site-wide if anything catches your eye. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!